Things to know before booking a cruise.
Hey, cruise enthusiasts and travel buffs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cruising, and we're going to share some essential things you need to know before booking that dream cruise vacation. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, these tips will help you make the most of your cruise experience. So, let's set sail on this informative journey. Number 1. Research cruise lines. First things first, research the cruise lines. Each cruise line has its own personality, amenities, and target audience. Some cater to families, others to luxury travelers, and some are known for their party atmosphere. Make sure to pick one that aligns with your preferences and travel style. Number 2. Destination and itinerary. Next up, consider the destinations and itineraries. Do you want to explore tropical islands, historic cities, or scenic fjords? Different cruises offer different routes, so choose one that excites you and fits your interests. Number 3. Cabin selection. Cabin selection matters. The type and location of your cabin can significantly impact your cruise experience. Inside cabins are more budget-friendly, while ocean view and balcony cabins offer great views. Consider what's most important to you when making your choice. Number 4. Budget wisely. Speaking of budgets, set a clear budget for your cruise. Remember that the initial cruise fare is just the beginning. You'll also have to account for excursions, onboard expenses, and gratuities. Plan accordingly to avoid unexpected costs. Number 5. Timing matters. Timing is crucial. Cruises have peak seasons and off-peak seasons. Prices can vary significantly depending on when you travel. Additionally, consider the weather in your chosen destination during your travel dates. Number 6. Shore excursions. Shore excursions are a big part of cruising. Research and book your excursions in advance, especially if there are must-see attractions at your ports of call. This ensures you don't miss out and helps manage your budget. Number 7. Pack smartly. Packing smartly is key to a stress-free cruise. Be sure to bring essential items like comfortable clothing, swimwear, and power strips. Check your cruise line's dress code and pack accordingly for formal nights. Number 8. Travel insurance. Don't forget travel insurance. It's an investment that can save you a lot of money and stress in case of unexpected events like trip cancellations or medical emergencies. Number 9. Learn cruise lingo. Cruise lingo can be confusing for beginners. Familiarize yourself with terms like muster station, tendering, and port versus starboard to feel more at ease on board. Number 10. Be punctual. Last but not least, be punctual. Ships have strict departure times, and they won't wait for stragglers. Ensure you're back on the ship well before the scheduled departure time at each port. And there you have it, folks. These are some crucial things to know before booking a cruise. By doing your research, planning ahead, and staying organized, you can make the most of your cruise adventure. If you have any other tips or experiences to share, please drop them in the comments below. Bon voyage, and happy cruising!